Good medical morning. Today's case study is Kelly, 24-year-old female, with a case of tonsil stones. The source video was originally featured on the Dr. Gilmore fan page. This is only the second time she's had tonsil stones, and also made a video of the first time, which is on the Dr. Gilmore fan page. Tonsil stones are calcified bits of debris and dead bacteria lodged in the tonsil crypts. They can cause discomfort, bad breath, and mild swelling, although they usually are benign. We'll show you some other examples as well, but Kelly was able to remove them with a lighted pick, as you can see in the video. Initially, she was quite concerned, as she thought this may be a sign that her tonsils would need to be removed. They are a bit larger than average, but what do you think? Should she check to see if she needs a tonsillectomy? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. So here are some more examples. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave us a comment below if you've ever had tonsil stones and what you did to get rid of them. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time. Adios. Hey folks, take a look at this lighted pick. It's a great tool for removing tonsil stones, which are smelly, calcified chunks of bacteria, mucus, and dead cells lodged in the tonsils. The rounded shape is great for gently removing stones on your own, and the light lets you see what you're doing. These picks are a great addition to your medicine cabinet. So check out the Amazon link below to get one for yourself. Thanks for watching.
Hi guys, this is gonna be, stay tuned for the Meta 7 video.
Hey guys, this is Vanessa and I've been using Meta 7 for about a month now. It's really helped me since having a baby. I had a little bit postpartum, and I think after having it, after taking it, it made the wiring in my brain come back together. I feel like my old self and I have a lot of energy. I'm not wired up or anything. It feels natural, and I recommend this product to everyone. So get your bottle of Meta 7 today.
Hey guys, Dr. Gilmore here. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like pimple popping and you've always wanted to do your own pimple popping, we've got just what you need. Super Pimple Popping Kit has everything you need to get the job done right. The instructions for getting your own Super Pimple Popping Kit are in the video description box below. Thanks again for watching.